This is a vacuum tube tester RPG 1. It was made around 1939 for use of Luftwaffe. This is special tester. It's measuring mainly transconductance of the tube in working point. And I will show you how to use this tester. I will make a test of tube NF2. So first I will insert the card. It's in there. I will insert the tube. This way. Now on the card I can see that anode voltage, plate voltage is 210, second grid voltage is 100, anode plate current will be 3 milliamps, negative grid is from -1 until -3 and 5, 3.5, so I will set the highest value, 3.5. And transconductance should be bigger than 1.5 milliamperes per volt. So I will switch the tester on and I will wait for the tube to heat up. So first what I will do is test the short if the tube is not shorted, and it is done by pressing the black button into first half. It has two positions, first half and second half. If I will press it into first half, I will look at the needle and it should be within the red mark here. If the needle is over the red mark, it's the situation where the tube is probably shorted and I should not continue with measuring this tube. So now it's heated up. I will press the second position of black button and I will set the working point. Setting the working point at this tester, it means to set the needle at 0 position of upper scale. It means if I have done it this way, it means that anode current is exactly as written on the card, 3 milliamps. Now with still the black button pressed, I will press the white button and I will read that transconductance in working point of this tube is 2.3 milliamps per volt. On the card it should be bigger than 1.5, so the tube is good. Now we will check vacuum, still holding the black button plus red button. Needle increased only slightly, so vacuum is good. The big deflection of needle is meaning that the vacuum of the tube is bad. Now I will press the green button also together with black button pressed, and it showed me 1 milliamp, so it's the current of second grid. It's 1 milliamp, and if you press the green button you have always the scale from 0 to 10, it's fixed, and now the needle is showing 1 milliamp. And now I can see the anode plate current. I will press the blue button because this is 3 milliamps, and blue button is anode plate current until 10 milliamps, and I see that it's 3 milliamps as on the card. Here it's used, I can draw a plate characteristic of the tube, so I can use the negative grid voltage and to plot the characteristic of the tube. So it's done, the tube is good. I will switch off the tester and remove the tube and the card.